Okay, so you've heard about GPU.net's Road to TGE campaign, and you want the quick scoop on what it means, right?
Much. People want to know what's in it for them.
Exactly. So this is basically our briefing on it. GPU.net's rolled out this program, and it's all about rewarding folks who jump in early before their main GPU token actually launches.
Right. So we're going to unpack how it works, the potential upsides, and, the key things to grasp without getting buried in tech speak.
Perfect. The core concept, from what I understand, revolves around something called GXP.
That's it. GXP stands for GPUNet Experience Points. It's the main thing you collect in this campaign.
And how do you collect them? Is it just one specific action, or?
No, it's pretty varied, actually. You earn GXP by completing different quests.
Quests. Okay, like what kind of quests?
Well, there are social tasks,
Yeah.
sharing stuff on social media, that kind of thing.
Uh-huh.
Then there are on-chain interactions. So actually using the blockchain, maybe testing things out.
Right, interacting directly with their tech.
Exactly. And for developers, they have specific contribution quests.
Ah.
Plus, just bringing people in community referrals gets you GXP too.
So quite a few different paths to earn these points. What's the big incentive then? Why collect GXP?
Well, that's the interesting part. The more GXP you rack up, the better your shot at getting an early airdrop of the GPU token itself.
An airdrop, okay. Free tokens, essentially.
Potentially, yeah. But it's not just that. More GXP could also mean getting whitelisted for their subnets.
Subnets, those are like spiralized networks they run.
Kind of, yeah. Think early access or special functions.
Yeah.
And it also gives you priority for other rewards they might roll out later in their ecosystem.
Got it. So GXP is basically your key for early access and potential rewards. Seems like a smart way to get early adopters involved.
It definitely incentivizes participation.
Now, this isn't just some random project, is it? I saw they've got some backing.
They do. They raised $5.25 million. Firms like Momentum 6 are involved, and they tend to back projects with solid infrastructure potential.
Momentum 6, right. And I think I saw names like Alex Becker, Crypto Banter. People recognize them?
Yeah, endorsements from known figures in the space.
Hmm.
It adds a layer of, let's say, visibility.
And crucially, they already have hardware running, don't they?
Absolutely. That's a big point. Over 6,000 live nodes with actual GPUs.
Right.
It's not just an idea on paper. There's existing infrastructure.
Okay, so real tech, real backing, good context. But this campaign, the Road to TGE, it's not permanent.
No, definitely not. It runs until the token generation event, the TGE. That's when the GPU token officially launches.
So there's a deadline. They're kind of positioning this as the last chance for these early rewards.
Exactly. Creating that bit of urgency, encouraging people to get involved now rather than later. It's pretty standard pre-token strategy.
Makes sense. So if someone listening is thinking, okay, I want to check this out, what's the first step?
Straightforward. You go to their website, token.gpu.net.
Token.gpu.net.
Got it. Yep. Connect your crypto wallet. Standard procedure for these things.
Right.
And then they suggest, just starting with maybe a social task or an on-chain one, to earn your first GXP points.
GM guys, welcome to the GPUNet quest board. The most gamified compute quest is now live. And to get started, all you'll have to do is click on Connect Wallet, enter the code if you have the unique referral code, or if you don't have a code, you can click on Skip for now. And after that, you'll have to connect your wallet and make sure you sign the message. After you connect your wallet, you'll be getting access to everything in the dashboard. You can get started with social quest and complete the social tasks. The next one would be understanding what GPUNet is about and what we do. The third one would be on-chain quest. If you are a GN node holder, you can verify here. And if you are an AI dev who wants to add value to GPU.net, this is for you. And moving on to the next one, you can even you can do this once in every 24 hours. And the most important part is the referrals, right? You can earn 50 GXP for every successful referral, and you will also get 7% of the GXP they earn from completing the task, and it will automatically be added to your account. Make sure that you always share this referral link, and you could also add code in the content that you create, right? And moving on to the next one, if you have referred to many people, you can even check the leaderboard. You can check where's your rank on the leaderboard, and GXP is the XP points. GXP will be converted into GPU at the time of TG. So This is how you can get started. This is how you can be a part of GPUNet Road to TGE campaign. So this is your last shot before GPU ticker goes live. So all the best.
I think I read something about multipliers.
Oh yeah, good point. If you finish all the tasks within a single quest category, you often get a GXP bonus, a multiplier. So it pays to be thorough.
Nice little bonus. What about the referral thing you mentioned earlier?
Right, the community aspect. If you refer someone using your link and they sign up and participate, you get 50 GXP up front.
Okay.
And you also get 7% of whatever GXP they earn down the line. So it encourages building the community.
Kind of a network effect reward.
Yeah.
And anything special for people already running their hardware, their nodes?
Yes, definitely. If you're running one of their GN series nodes, you get boosted GXP multipliers, more points for the same actions.
Rewarding the existing supporters.
And access to some exclusive unlocks, too. Extra perks for the real early hardware providers.
So, summing it up, Road to TGE is GPU.net's push to reward early users before the GPU token launch. GXP points are key for potential airdrops, subnet access, future rewards.
That's the core of it, using quests and referrals to build momentum and reward engagement.
Okay. So for someone listening particularly focused on, learning fast and maybe getting an edge, does this type of early stage participation resonate? Is this something you typically look into?
It's definitely a model lots of people explore in crypto, trying to get in early on projects with potential.
Right. So maybe the question for the listener is, based on this, what parts are most interesting and what else would you need to know before deciding if it's right for you? Something to think about.